Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the convection heating element in your microwave oven, you will need to remove the appliance from the cabinet. To do this, first shut off the power supply to the oven junction box. Open the oven door and remove any racks from the oven, along with the turntable and support. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the mounting flanges to the cabinet. Remove the washers as well, if still intact. Now have an assistant help you to pull the appliance out of the cabinet and set it on a sturdy surface. Be aware that if the conduit cable is not long enough to move the microwave oven, you will need to disconnect the power and grounding wires and remove the conduit cable from the junction box. Using a T10 Torx bit, unthread the two screws securing the rear cover. Lift the cover up to detach. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 6 screws securing the convection housing. Support the housing as you detach the temperature sensor bracket. Disconnect the convection heating element wires. Now turn the housing around and use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the element to the housing. With the screws removed, pull the old element free of the housing. Install the new convection heating element by inserting the terminals through the holes in the housing. Fully align the element and thread the 3 mounting screws. Connect the wires to the element terminals. Reposition the housing on the rear of the oven and replace the temperature sensor bracket. Thread and tighten the 6 screws to secure the housing. Align the rear cover on the tabs. Then fully position the cover and secure it with the screws. Return the microwave oven to the cabinet and push it into position. Insert the washers into the holes in the flanges. Then thread the 2 screws to secure the flanges to the cabinet. Replace the support and align the turntable on the coupling. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the microwave oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos. by purchasing your parts from our website.